Hello guys! Medyo ang tagal din natin hindi nakapagala dahil busy sa works and training. Ngayon, it's time to enjoy the moment and savor nature to its fullest. Welcome to Infinity Farm sa Baco, Oriental, Mindoro. Excited ka na ba? Alam ko like me you are looking for a peaceful getaway surrounded by nature. So, join me at this mesmerizing location with cascading waterfalls, perfect for relaxing with friends and family. You can enjoy their delicious meals while listening to the soothing sounds of crystal clear water. Well, paano nga ba makapunta sa lugar na ito? So nanggaling kami sa Calapan City Public Market. From there, merong terminal ng jeep papuntang Puerto Galera at Baco. Ang regular fare is 35 pesos lang. Then, baba kayo sa Baco Municipal Hall. Aabot din ng less than 30 minutes ang biyahe. Pagbaba mo, sakay ka ng tricycle. Don't worry, may mga paradahan ng tricycle sa palengke na malapit lang sa Municipal Hall. Walking distance siya, di ka naman mawawala, basta magtanong-tanong ka lang. Much better kung may private vehicle dahil medyo mahaba ang biyahe, rough road at madalang ang sasakyan. It would take 17 minutes na travel papunta sa farm. And finally, here we are at the Infinity Farm at Barangay Mangangan, Baco, Oriental, Mindoro. So guys, pagpasok nyo, bubungad sa iyo tong fruit basket. Fun facts mga guys, Oriental Mindoro is known to be the rice granary and fruit basket of Southern Tagalog. Yes, ang daming prutas dito like lansones, banana, rambutan, durian, mangustin, papaya, guava, coconut, and many more. Pagpasok mo, maraming food stalls kaya kahit di ka na magdala ng foods, pero better na you have pre-order to include in your bookings. Dito pala, they encourage na at least a week or 3 days before makapagpa-reserve ka na at makapagbayad ng payment through GCash or online banking transfer. They do not accommodate yung sa mismong araw ka magpapa-reserve. By the way, meron naman silang website at Facebook page where you can inquire and book your reservations. Alam mo ba guys, pagpasok ko may namit agad ako. Siya si Billy. He is one of the Infinity Farm baby. He is an albino Burmese python and he's quite big for his age. The albinos like Billy are white with patterns in butterscotch yellow and burnt orange. He is such an impressive snake. He can reach lengths of 12 to 19 feet. So, come and meet Billy in person. Very approachable din ang mga staff nila at i-accommodate ka talaga about sa details of your bookings. Ihahatid ka pa nila sa reserved table mo on their cottages just near the river. By the way, may mga cottages pala na free at meron ding may bayad. Yun yung nasa taas na portion ng farm, pero anywhere you can swim naman. This time, ang daming guests. Masaya talaga dito pag may family bonding, reunion, birthday celebrations, and any occasions. So, ito lang yung order namin kasi hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. So, let's explore and find out what's inside in this paradise. The new Infinity Farm is a paradise replete with well-paved boardwalks, riverside cottages, and plenty of areas for a quiet retreat. Grabe, ang ganda talaga, para kang nasa paraiso. Ang linis, ang fresh, luntian ng paligid, at agos lang ng tubig ang iyong maririnig. So, I'll give additional information about the farm. Open sila every Saturday and Sunday from 8 AM to 5 PM. Tumatanggap sila ng guests hanggang alas 3 ng hapon. Not sure pero as far as I know close sila pag weekdays. Sa rates and fees naman, pag adults 200 pesos, 150 pesos pag bata. That is 10 years old and below. Hindi kasama dito yung isip bata So, just kidding. So, for senior, 164 pesos. Meron na ring tour guide at mga accommodating staff sa area if you need assistance. For information, open lang sila for day tour. Overnight accommodation is not yet available. And pwede ka rin tumambay at kumain sa mga free tables nila sa tabing ilog area. Pero, first book, first serve basis sila. Merong area and table na may charge about 300 pesos to 1,500 pesos depende sa seating capacity. For more information on how to get here via commute, if you're a commuter, head to the Calapan City Public Market where jeepney terminals are installed. Ride a jeepney bound to Baco and ask the driver to drop you off in the Baco Municipal Hall na malapit sa Municipal Market. Once you're in the Municipal Market, try to ask somebody for the tricycle terminal that can take you straight to Infinity Farm. And by a private vehicle, you can use Waze. This is most convenient and recommended for me. If you're going to ask naman kung pwede ba magdala ng pagkain sa loob, bringing of food and drinks is not allowed inside the farm. Kanina sabi ko nga may mga food stalls naman. Again, they highly encourage for everyone to pre-book before going to the farm to avoid hassle. They are requiring everyone to make the reservations online at least 1 week or 3 days before they will visit the farm for them to manage and or limit the number of guests per day. Full payment is required to confirm your reservation. Non-payment of the total amount will release your reservation. Cash payments can be made through bank deposit with BDO, GCash, or Palawan. May Gmail sila kung saan isi-send mo yung screenshot and they then provide a reference number which will serve as a ticket and confirmation of your booking. Yan na, I've given all the information you needed. So time to put away the words and immerse ourselves in this paradise. Escape into Infinity Farm, a hidden gem located in the heart of Baco Oriental, Mindoro, creates serene oasis, perfect for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature. The farm is surrounded by lush greenery and the sound of cascading waterfalls, which creates a peaceful atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy delicious meals at the farm or simply relax by the river and soak up the sun. For the more adventurous, the farm offers opportunities to explore the surrounding area, including hiking to waterfalls and swimming in natural pools. Let's embark on a journey together. As you watch this video, I invite you to pause, reflect, and immerse yourself in the moment. Allow the visuals and sounds to transport you to a serene space where you can discover profound life lessons. It's about embracing nature's wisdom. Nature and its infinite wisdom offers profound lessons for human life. Observing the natural world can inspire us to live more harmoniously, fostering personal growth and a deeper appreciation for the planet. One of the most fundamental lessons nature imparts is the importance of constant change and growth. Trees don't stop growing when they reach a certain height. They continue to strive upward, reaching for the sunlight. Similarly, individual should embrace lifelong learning and personal development. Just as a seed transforms into a majestic oak, we too have the potential for incredible transformation. Every day presents an opportunity to learn something new, to overcome challenges, and to grow as individuals. By observing and appreciating the natural world, we can cultivate a deeper sense of connection to something larger than ourselves. This connection can foster a sense of purpose, gratitude, and responsibility. Just as we rely on nature for our survival, we have a duty to protect and preserve it for future generations. By living in harmony with the natural world, we can create a more sustainable and fulfilling life for ourselves and others. In essence, nature is a constant teacher, offering invaluable lessons about growth, balance, resilience, and interconnectedness. By incorporating these principles into our lives, we can embark a journey of personal and spiritual development while contributing to the well-being of our planet. So ayan, nakapag-tour na tayo. I've so much enjoyed the place. Ang daming area to take pictures. And promise, you'll absolutely fall in love with the views and the vibes. But it's time to go back sa cottage. So tara na. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed our tour and learned meaningful lessons in life. We can't wait to return here with the people we care about. And before I end, please share this wonderful experience with your friends and subscribe for more updates. Bye-bye!